What if I told you? You don't actually lack time? You lack control. And today, I'm going to prove it to you in less than 15 minutes. Stay with me. Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Beat. I'm Sarah. This is your place for real English, real conversations, and real growth. Not textbook English. Not boring grammar rules. Just clear, powerful English you can actually use. And today's topic is dangerous. Are you wasting your time without realizing it? Let's talk. Part 1: The lie we tell ourselves. I don't have time. We say this sentence so easily. But here's a question. How many minutes did you spend on your phone yesterday? Scrolling, watching, refreshing, checking. Be honest. Time doesn't disappear. It gets spent. And sometimes, it gets wasted. Part 2: What does waste time really mean? To waste time means you use your time on something that gives you nothing back. Not growth. Not rest. Not joy. Not learning. Imagine your time is water in a glass. Every morning, you wake up with a full glass. Every distraction is a small sip. But here's the problem. You don't get refills. When the glass is empty, that day is gone. Forever. Part 3: A small story. Last month, I told myself, I'll watch one short video before studying. Just one. 35 minutes later, I was still scrolling. And the worst part? I didn't even remember what I watched. I didn't feel relaxed. I didn't feel happy. I felt empty. That feeling? That's the sign of wasted time. Not fun. Not rest. Just unconscious living. Part 4: How to stop wasting time, 5 simple upgrades. Let's fix this. Not with pressure. With awareness. 1. Make a tiny plan. Don't say, I will improve my English. That's vague. Say, today I will learn 3 new words. Clear beats big. A tiny plan is like putting an address into your GPS. No address? You drive in circles. 2. Use your pocket time. You have hidden minutes in your day. 5 minutes waiting. 7 minutes before bed. 10 minutes on the bus. That is pocket time. Small coins of time. Most people throw them away. Smart learners invest them. 5 minutes daily equals 35 minutes a week. That's almost 30 hours a year. Small minutes create big results. 3. Protect your focus. Your phone is not evil, but it is powerful. Notifications are time thieves. If you study with your phone next to you, your brain stays half alert. Try this. Put your phone in another room for 20 minutes. You'll feel the difference immediately. Focus feels powerful. 4. Make English fun. If English feels like punishment, you'll escape. So connect English to your interests. Love music? Read lyrics. Love movies? Watch with English subtitles. Love YouTube? Switch to English creators. Learning should feel alive. 5. Understand this. Rest is not wasting time. This is important. Rest is not laziness. Rest is charging your battery. If you study for 2 hours while exhausted, you learn less than 30 focused minutes. Balance wins. Always. Let's grow your English a little more. Intentional. When you do something on purpose. Example. I want to be intentional with my time. Vague. Not clear. Improve my English is vague. Learn 5 words is clear. Distracted. When your attention jumps everywhere. Invest. To use time now for a better future. Balance. Not too much. Not too little. A healthy life needs balance. Say one of these sentences in your head right now. Train your English brain. Here's your challenge today. Choose one tiny action. Not 5. 1. Maybe 10 minutes of listening. 3 new words. Re-listen to this episode. And when you finish, don't say, "It was nothing." Say, "I invested in myself." Because that's what you did. Your time is your life. Don't give it away carelessly. Use it, shape it, respect it, and your English will grow with you. If this episode helped you, share it with someone who always says, "I don't have time." I'm Sarah. This is the English Beat. And your progress? It starts now. See you in the next episode.